Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here first standard maths. Weight. Weight. All of you know your weight. Okay. When you see anyone thing, that time you say this is a heavy, this is a light, this is a thick, this is a thin. See here, this one is a calculator and this one is a crayon color box. Okay, this is a thick. See, this one is a thick and this one is a thin. You call that this is a calculator is a thick, crayon box is a thin. Yeah, calculator is a heavy, calculator is a heavy in hand and crayon box is a thin. See, they jump, but calculator is jumped there, so many no jump. So this is a thick, this is a thin. Yeah, this is a heavy, calculator is a heavy, color box is a thin. See, pencil and rubber, pencil and rubber. This is a thick, this one is a thin, thick, thin, thick, thin. Okay, thick, thin. This is a heavy. See, this one is a heavy, this one is a thin. Okay. Now you compare in your home, chair and table, pencil box, lunch box. Okay, compare their weight. Your homes, door and window, compare there. Which object is heavy, which object is a light. Your school bag and one notebook also you compare. Okay, see here, two streams they show. This is a thick stream, this is a thin stream. Understand? Now exercise. Open the exercise. Color the thick object red and the thin object and green. See, this one is a bread, thick object, red color. Color there with red. And thin object, green. Color with green color. Okay. Next one, jug and milk bottle. Small children, babies, milk bottle is there, jug is there. Thick object on red, color there with red. And thin object, color with the green. You color properly, huh? Thick object, red. Tree and plant. Tree is a thick and plant is a thin. See here, cake and pizza. Cake and pizza. Cake is a thick. Pizza is a thin, color with green. Understand? Now, see here, draw the object thicker than the given object. Thicker than means big. See, first one pencil given. Thick object you draw. This one thick object na, thicker than the given object. This one. thick object. Okay, pencil and line you also draw there. Now next one, what? Heavy and light. Heavy and light. When you went in your market, you go to the market now, that time they do the weight. You want their apple, 1 kg apple. That time what they do, in the one weight machine have 1 kgs government approval weight they keep there, and one side apples keep there. Where apple is a, when one apple they keep on that machine, that time they go to the upper side. Okay, that time they go to the upper side, means they heavier. Okay, when they heavier go to the upper side, that time, sorry, downside, not upper side, they when they go to the downside, that time one apple they keep aside, and when they balance, that time they give you. Okay, heavier item always go to the downside, and light object always go to the upper side. Okay, now see, circle the light object. Here is pencil and calculator. Which is a light? Pencil is a light. See here, apple and brinjal. Tomato and brinjal. Tomato is a light, brinjal is a heavy. Because of heavy object always go to the downside. So this is a heavier and this is a lighter. Now circle the heavier object. Chilies and apple. Apple is a heavier than chilies. Cupcake and big cake. Big cake is a heavy. Understand? Okay. Heavy object always go to the downside, and light object always go to the upper side. Compare the weights. Insert 1, 2, 3 in the box to show light, heavy and heaviest. Light, heavy and heaviest. See, tomato, pumpkin and cherry. Cherry is so light, so that come in a first one. Light. Then heavy. Tomato is heavy, and heaviest pumpkin is a so heaviest. So right there, cherries have 1 number, tomato 2 number, pumpkin have 3 number. B1 also you compare and write. Next one, select from your home and fill in the blanks. One example has been done. A pan is a lighter than the kadai. Okay. A sofa is a heavier than the sofa. Heavier than the chair, na? Chair. Chair is a lighter than the table. When you compare table and chair, chair is a lighter. Dining table is a heavier than the sofa. Heavier than the sofa, yeah. Right there also chair. Dining chair. A spoon is a lighter than a glass. Spoon is always lighter. Compare weight 3 objects each category. Vehicles. Bicycle is a light. Motorcycle is a heavy, and truck is the heaviest. Compare their bicycle. Imagine their motorcycle and truck. Imagine which is a light? Bicycle, then motorcycle, and then truck. Object your bag. Pencil, book, school bag. Pencil, book, school bag. Okay. Object at home. You also do that one. I write here answer, but you see and write. Measure the weights of 5 your classmates. and yourself. Note them, their answer the question. You compare them in your home, family members, okay, whose weight least and whose weight is most. Compare there your father, mother and you. Whose least weight? Your. सबसे कम किसका वेट होगा? तुम्हारा. और सबसे ज़्यादा किसका होगा? तुम्हारे पापा का. What is the difference in their weight? पापा का वेट और तुम्हारा वेट कंपेयर करो. पापा के वेट में से तुम्हारा वेट कम करो और कितना डिफरेंस आता है वो लिखो. ओके. Arrange the weights in ascending or descending order. Ascending order means small to big and descending order means big to small. You write there your weight, your mother weight, father weight. Then in ascending order. In descending order, father weight, mother weight, your weight. What is the total weight of your group? What is the effect food? You eat your weight. Okay, that also you do. Now today's homework, page number 75, 76, 77. Done. Okay. Thank you.